Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, and this is Hey Bartender, Edición Mexico. I am here in Mexico City, and what can I say, you guys? I'm in my father's house. Rest in peace, my old man. And I'm in El Bar El Teniente. This is his personal bar, and it's an honor and bringing a lot of memories to be able to do something for everybody and to share a couple minutes of my life. Thank you to all my family that has been helping us so much in this nice, small little vacation and travel and get to see my mother. And obviously, it's not going to be an exception to myself making a really cool cocktail that my father used to love when he allowed me to have a couple cocktails with him. So today, I'm going to introduce you a few drinks from the different parts of Mexico. And I'm going to start with his classic. Let's go for the Brandy Pintadito or stained brandy. Let's get some really cool ice cubes into a tall glass. Today we're going to be using Torres 15. This is an amazing brandy. Let's go for 1.5 ounces. 3/4 of club soda. And you're gonna stain it with a top up of Coca-Cola. This is gonna be in honor of my father. All right, you guys, cocktail number 2. This is the original drink from Tijuana, actually from the Hotel Nelson, the famous Especial. This is one of the most refreshing cocktails. So we're gonna start with a little bit of salt, a small salt rim. We're gonna put a lot of small little cubes, ice cubes. Half an ounce fresh lime juice. Ron Zacapa, 25. Let's go for a healthy 2 ounces. Half portions of 7-Up. And Coca-Cola. Garnish with a lime well, the Especial. And cocktail number 3, and this is gonna be a guava margarita. Let's start with one and a half guavas, previously chopped. We're gonna go for 2 cocktails. So we're gonna need 4 ounces of lime juice, 1.5 ounces simple syrup. Let's muddle this guy. And unbelievably, Mexico City and Puebla, they are so hot and humid right now. My goodness. So this is gonna be perfect for as soon as we finish making these cocktails. We gotta remember one thing. The guayaba was one of the main fruits that actually was supporting the economy in Atlixco, Puebla. But then after that, you will see the history about avocado in California and how Atlixco provided the first branch of avocado forte to California. I'm gonna put some ice. Let's give it a really good shake. And 4 ounces of tequila. Don Julio 70, of course. It's gonna be añejo clear. give it a shake. You can either leave it with a pulp or without pulp. And for this one, I'm gonna make a small little exception. One is gonna be just margarita, and the other one I have is gonna be a small splash of club soda. Your ballerina. Lime wheel. And guava top. And there you have it, you guys. Stained brandy or Pintadito. You have the Especial from Tijuana and the amazing guava margarita from Atlixco, Puebla. Cheers to my old man, wherever he is. Have fun, everybody. Salud.